Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. This just got here. This is a Marx 6000 I picked up for 11 bucks and doing the grand unboxing to see what this actually looks like. Now, I found it on eBay, of course, in fairly poor condition, but I bought it for the motor, and I have another body that I can mount this in. So, just wanted to see what this is going to look like. Alright, no peanuts, that's good. Alright, bubble wrap. Let's get this box out of the way. Been waiting for this to get here. Like I said, I bought it for the motor. And I'm really curious to see how or if it's actually going to run. Like I said, found it for 11 bucks on eBay. And it's far from perfect, as you can see. Alright. But it is reasonably complete. Wow, this motor is really, really, really bad. Really tight. Wow. Absolutely frozen. Alright. Let me pull the camera off the tripod. So as you can see, far from perfect, in actually fairly poor condition. So I got to pull the motor out, there's no doubt about that. But the nice thing about this, of course, is I have a shell right here that I can drop that motor into. Now this was an old B unit, as you see. I drilled a hole so I can actually mount a motor in it. It has a front coupler. The motor has the rear coupler, so when I transfer this motor to this shell, I'll have a genuine Marx 6000 switcher. So in any case, I've got to pull this motor out of here, free it up. It is just absolutely frozen solid, and it looks to be in fairly poor condition, but pretty sure I can get it running. Anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing video on this. Like I said, I picked it up for 11 bucks on eBay, and wouldn't have bought it other than the fact that I had this shell that I could just drop that motor into. And of course this was a B unit, so I drilled the hole in the top to mount the motor. So this will give me a genuine switcher with a front and a rear truck. Anyway, just a quick video, unboxing video on this 6000. I'll pull this motor out, get it broken free. I'll do a follow-up video. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.